Hi ma'am, please give your opinion on using hair waxes for keeping the frizz down, especially on the crown area. These are usually stick-type products that contain a high percentage of wax that can be used to smooth the hair down or hold the frizz down. There are 3 points to think about when you use these. The first is to stay away from the first 2 to 3 millimeters from the hair roots, because using the wax here can make the result look very flat. The second, not to use a lot of product. This can make your hair look very greasy and dark. The third thing, you won't be able to reapply this over and over as and when you see frizz. The best way to do it is all at once in the morning before you head out, and try and maintain the effect over the day. The bigger problem actually is about how you take it off. Why should you take it off? Because hair waxes can actually attract a lot of pollutants, especially if you're going to be out and about, and it's very important to be able to take these off properly. 3 ways to do this. First, you can use lukewarm water or a little warmer water directly on the hair to see if the wax comes off with it, and then use your clarifying shampoo after to get it off completely. The second is to use a degreasing shampoo, a more stronger shampoo, directly on the scalp, see if the wax is getting loosened up, and then work up a lather and then wash it off with water. You may need to go one more round if your wax is particularly adherent. The third way is to use a warm towel. You can use a blow dryer on a towel and use it directly to get the wax off. This can work if your wax is relatively thin, and then go in with a clarifying shampoo to get it off completely. But the idea would be to get it off because it can keep building up over a period of time. Not that it will cause hair fall or hair breakage, but it can make the texture that much more dull and worse. I'm sure over time and with a little bit of practice, you'll be able to use it for occasions that you really need it for. I don't recommend this as a regular daily use product because of the hassle involved in getting it off. Have questions on this? Put them in the comments and we'll talk. I'll see you soon and you take care.